In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your workouts in Notion, creating a system that's personalized and efficient. Whether you're looking to get started with a basic setup or explore more advanced options, I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can effectively log exercises, plan routines, and monitor your progress with ease. First, let's dive into building a basic workout tracking system in Notion. A simple yet effective approach is to create a calendar where you can log your workout days. This offers a visual representation of your schedule and allows you to see at a glance how consistently you're sticking to your fitness regimen. By scheduling your workouts in a calendar, you also set clear intentions and become more accountable, which is a great motivator. Next, consider setting up a separate database to detail your exercises. Here, you can record pertinent information such as the type of exercise, the number of sets and repetitions, and the weights used. This database serves as your comprehensive logbook. Now, linking it to your calendar can be a game changer, as it provides context to your entries and ensures that your workouts are structured and documented in one unified system. This linkage enhances your ability to track your progress over time, uncovering patterns or plateaus. For those who enjoy a more sophisticated approach, Notion allows for advanced templates. These templates can automatically calculate totals, such as your weekly workout volume or personal bests, which saves you the hassle of manually crunching numbers. Also, visual progress charts are a fantastic tool within these templates. Graphs can display trends in your performance, offering encouraging insights into your journey that words simply can't, and they're perfect for visual learners. Optimizing your Notion setup for mobile use is also worth considering. We all live busy lives, and having access to your workout tracker on the go ensures that you can quickly check your plan at the gym or input results immediately after a session. This ease of access minimizes barriers to maintaining consistency in tracking your workouts, a key aspect of achieving lasting results. Finally, while setting up your system, take some time to tweak and personalize the interface to fit your needs and preferences. Customize fields, use tags, or change views to make the process intuitive for you. After all, the system should work for you, not the other way around. The beauty of Notion lies in its versatility, allowing you to tailor everything to your liking. I hope this encourages you to start tracking your workouts in Notion, whether you prefer a streamlined, simple system or an advanced, data-driven setup. Remember, the ultimate goal is to support your fitness journey and make it as enjoyable and effective as possible. Keep experimenting until you find what works best for you, and happy tracking!